To navigate around SalesPal, you're going to use the green ribbon at the bottom of your screen. Most of the buttons here will move you around from one main area of the system to another. Here's order guides, spiffs, resources, dashboard, etc. There are some special buttons, the call host button, the settings button, and the logout button. Whenever you are done using SalesPal, it is advisable and best practice to log out versus just quitting or closing the window. There are safeties in place to protect your data, even if you do that, but best practice is to go through the proper procedure and log out when you're done. The settings button will allow you to adjust personal preferences and different controls throughout the system, as well as provide IT with certain controls when they need to come in and do maintenance on your copy of SalesPal. And finally, Call Host is where you will send in your orders and receive the most up-to-date data back from the mainframe at Woodfordiger.